Princess and the Pea, adapted and illustrated by Jeanette Stevens, retold by aaorhi. Once there was a prince who wanted to marry a princess, but the queen wanted him to marry a princess just like herself. Then they traveled west, but the princess was too noisy. Then they traveled east, but the princess was too greedy. Then they traveled south, but the princess there was not graceful. The queen and the prince traveled south, but the princess there was not graceful. So then they traveled home. One dark and stormy night, somebody knocked on the door. It was a princess! The queen wasn't sure if she was a real princess. The queen placed 20 mattresses and 20 feather beds above a tiny pea. The queen wanted to see if she was a real princess. Was she a real princess? Or was she not as perfect as the queen? Read The Princess and Pea to find out more.